Hello, welcome to a 340's editing tips. Today, I will teach you how to make a pretty good edit without using CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Make the volume pretty loud.
To avoid a long intro, cut out a part of the beginning of the extracted audio. Your choice.
Cut out the ending too. But wait, look at these yellow dots. These are called beats, and you can auto-generate them with a button. This improves timing. Also, delete the ending. Set to intense. Where the beat drops, that's where you put the beginning of a clip, on the yellow dot. Cut the clips on the beat. Another tip is to add blur to the background to your dot edits to make them seem more alive. You do not have to do this. Keyframes. These will make your edits so much better, so follow the steps that will now be shown. To summarize, put a keyframe at the beginning and the end of the clip. At the keyframe at the end, zoom in the clip a bit, press graphs and scroll to flow to repeat this process on all of the clips you want to put in your edit. Add a good transition. Time to use filters. Duplicate them if you want. Add your watermark. To make the screen shake a little, use camera shake effect and adjust it as followed. Thank you for watching. Please tag me on whatever edit you make, being inspired by me and this video. Have a good day and see you later on that For You page.